Leave him first. I'm trying to catch him crawl. I think now you move here. Ganun mo siya. Kamate. Sit down ka, sit down. Kamate. Layo kang konti sa kanya. Para... Go. Kamate.
Come and get this. Come and get this. Up to me. Yes. Whoa. You can reach that.
Come, mama.
Come. Come. Come.
No, don't put it on his mouth.
It smells like sock.
Where'd you get that?
My room. I got it from Harlow.
Come. Come, mama. Come, mama.
Come on, come on, come on, mama. Ow!
Come, mama. Ay, what? Easy. Hi, guys. Today is Sunday, 19th of October.
Mommy, wish we move this. This.
Why?
This. I want to
Ano na tayo? Anong 4:35 in the afternoon na? And we had brekkie at IKEA with the family. We went to church and brekkie and then shops and then home to cook for our meal for the week. I'm just trying to catch because I saw him trying to crawl. Move ka, darling. Ano ko? Alis ka. Move ka din, no? He's trying to crawl kasi I'm trying to catch him from the in the camera. Dito ka, ate, oh. Dito ka. Para nakikita ka din sa camera. Dito ka. Ayan. Here, oh. See, they can see you. Come, Baba.
try to get this.
Yeah.
Let's close face and then get it. That's supposed to be.
Go. Go, crawl.
With that, I'll picture him. With my cell phone.
Come, Mama.
Come.
Come to Mama. Come,
Cool.
Mama.
Cool, Baba. This one.
Come
Come on. Wow.
on.
Come on. Wow.
Let to
Well, come on.
There you go.
Yes. Try to do this wall like that. Wall like a baby crab.
1 week na lang, guys. Kakain na siya. And we've got his high chair already. So, ready na siya to eat. Oh, yan na, yan na, yan na. Ano, paatras? Paatras yan? Paatras yan? Ha? Ha, paatras yan? Umbu? Ungger. Ungge? Ungger. Ungge?
Mommy, look at me. Yeah. Wait, mommy, wait. Did you pass? Wait,
No.
wait. No, I'll not look.
Even though you don't need to, you don't need to use my phone.
Wait, mommy, that's my phone. Wait, do my password if you know. You don't know my password?
No.
0101.
But that's your phone. You should know it.
0101. Good.
Hi. Ano yun? Ano yun?
Ah?
Tinatawag mo si Dada, no?
I'm
Kapal ka sa naman
Mommy,
yan.
I'm calling Mimi.
Uy.
Mimi?
Yes, my love.
You know, my bunso can almost crawl.
Oh, really?
Yeah?
Oh, can you send me a video?
Yeah?
Okay.
I'm sending everyone a video.
Please. Okay, that would be great. Thank you, sweetheart.
Bye.
You got it! Go, 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 go! Na-pressure siya. Nakaganto na siya daw. Nakaganto na siya. Na-pressure siya. Sige nga, quiet na lang si mami dito. Quiet kami dito. Hindi ka namin pa-pressure.
I'll just use my cell phone.
Oh. Ate. Ate, baka akong tissue. Please.
Okay, coming.
Ay, wa. Ay, wa. Galing na. Ikaw, ane. Galing na.
Mommy, someone's
Your call has been
calling us.
forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available.
You're calling Dada.
But why is Dad not answering? Oh my God!
I know.
Because he's almost one. Hey, give me my phone back. Mom, give me my phone back. Thank you.
I'll show you guys. Nakaluto na kami. Ay, nahilo ko. Tatlong meal for this week. So, meron na tayo. Parang karinderya naman tayo dito. Di ba naman linipat? Pares. Spaghetti. At, ito. Chicken curry. Green curry. Pero black. Kasi nadulok. Nadulok siya. Tapos meron na din tayong high chair for our baby boy. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Lagay nga natin yung... Parang nag-iba na yung high chair ng IKEA ngayon. Ano na siya? Dati, ano to eh? Dati ito, hindi siya white. Ano siya dati? Parang aluminum yung itsura niya. Lagay natin yung... Diyan lang kayo. Ay, lagay Lagay natin ang, ano to? Oh, I need scissors. Kanina mukhang tao tayo, ngayon mukha tayo. Tae na. Mukhang tae na tayo.
Mommy, mommy.
Ah?
Mommy, look what I spelled. You have to read this.
Come here.
You said to read this. What's that?
My buffer wet. What's that?
My birthday.
What buffer wet?
My birthday. It's not my birthday. It's my birthday today.
We have a little instruction here. Pero
Day.
hindi naman, pretty sure hindi naman sobrang hirap nito ilagay. Can you cut this? This. Thanks. Okay. So we have this. Okay. Okay. Ano, ganito lang siya.
Mommy,
So,
look. Mommy, look.
shoot lang natin yung mga chow. Tapos, see? Yan. Oh, it's ready na. It's actually, I bought some accessories with this. Parang hindi siya plain white kasi sobrang plain niya lang. So, yeah, we'll put this here first. Yan. If you can see, sobrang plain niya lang. But we got some accessories that will go with it. And magiging ano siya. Very nice. So that's it. We're going to the playground in a while. What are you eating, girl? Ay, nako. Look at this ice cream. She finished it in few days only. Oh, hello! Oh, hello! 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 You know? Oh, ay, tignan mo siya. Dala ka tayo siya. Oh, tara-crawl ka na. Aray!
Pusak ka? Pusak ka, big boy! Aray! Big boy! Pusak ni big boy! Pusak ni big boy!
Come na ikaw ka, mama. Ha? Sige na, balik ko na sila guys dun. Bye, guys!
Come, mama! Come, mama!
Kunin na natin ang baby nating nagpapangek-ngek. Hi guys! We are currently at Ate Gab's school. So nag-drop off tayo today. Actually with Dada. Kasi nag-request si Ate Gab. Siyempre pagbigyan naman natin siya. Kaso nakakainis lang. Kasi umiiyak siya pagka ako'y nagda-drop off. So it's not good. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita niyo ako guys. Pero yeah, so now we're going to Belconnen Shops para may titingnan lang tayo. Tapos after that, punta tayo sa skin specialist clinic. Actually, GP sila, GP na skin specialist. Ewan ko ano bang tawag sa akin. Basta GP sila pero they specialize sa skin. So we're hoping na they'll be able to help us with Baba's skin. You know what? Parang sa tingin ko, we are able to manage it. But the problem is it keeps coming back. So we're able to manage the eczema, but we wanted to know what's is the main cause. So that's what our aim is. So we're not aiming to get more medicines. We're aiming to see what's causing it. So hopefully help us, guys. Hopefully they'll be able to help us. And hopefully hindi umiyak ang ating anak. Kasi it's quite a drive. This one, sorry. Tulog kayo dyan. It's quite a drive. So mga ano siya, mga 30 minutes drive. Tapos kami lang. So hopefully he'll be fine. Pero matutulog na siya actually. Kaso nga lang, yun nga. Baka dahil matutulog na siya, berat siya. And guys, we're here sa parking ng skin clinic. Mag-ano lang tayo. Mag-refresh lang tayo ng a little bit. Little bit. Tama. Wala tayong sunglass na maayos. Check nga akong sunglass ko. Kasi parang alam mo lahat ng sunglass ni Dada ginagamit ko. Kasi hindi ako mahilig bumili ng sarili kong sunglass. Medyo quiet ako magsalita. Kasi nga tulog yung baba namin. Tulog pa siya. Nakikita niyo. Ayan siya. Ayan na, nagising na. Ingay-ingay kasi natin. Mama's coming. 10:30 pa yung check-up niya. Pero, baka punta na kami kasi baka may fill-upan pa kami. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Tinong natin ito sunglass ni Dada. See. Hi. Say hi, guys. Bye-bye na kami. Turn off natin yung AC. See ma. Bye, guys.
Ground floor.
Hi. Hanap natin ng clothes si ate. my goodness, guys. Ang cute. We might get one. Another break, guys. Hi. Hi guys. Oh, he got home. Finally. Hi. Hi, baby boy. Hi, baby boy. Iyak siya nang iyak sa sasakyan kaninang pa uwi. So, medyo hindi tayo nakapag Siguro na ito. Ang init. Hindi tayo masyado nakafocus sa drive. That's okay. Ito yung pagkain ko. So, bake ko lang tong spaghetti for my foods. Lagyan natin ng cheeses. At some mozzarella. Ay, sobrang pagod ko. Hilig-hilig natin kasi. Ang hilig-hilig natin. Pero I'm really proud of him, guys. You know why? Kasi, yung pauwi na lang talaga yung, ano niya, yung kahit busog siya, umiyak siya. Yung pauwi na lang. So, konting ano na lang. Iyak. Konting iyakan na lang. Lagyan natin cheese. Kumain ako ng sushi kanina. Siya na, ano. Pero, it did not fill me up talaga. So, medyo gutom na gutom tayo today. I need water. Feeling ko, naiirita na siya sa nappy niya kasi kailangan ko na siyang palitan. And also, naantok na siya. Dami kong pinuntahan, pero nahiya ako mag-vlog. So, hindi ko kayo masyadong naisama. Konti lang. Using my phone. Kasi itong camera na to, it's kinda big for me. Parang ang flask niya parang kitang-kita kayo pag nag-vlog ako sa labas. So, siguro yung Action 3 na lang gagamitin natin pag lumalabas. Kasi sobrang liit lang nun. Yung tripod niya pwedeng alisin. So, parang ganyan lang siya hawakan mo. Yung init. Ito yung Action 3 natin. So, yung tripod din niya, medyo maliit lang siya. Pero, the thing here is, pag in-on mo siya, eto, meron siyang screen dyan. So, parang, nakakakuha siya ng attention na, uy, may nag-vlog. Parang ganun. So, we'll see. Ang pangit lang dito is, ang pangit ng audio niya, like anywhere, kahit saan, kahit sa loob ng bahay. Nahawakan ko lang siya, ang ingay niya. So, ayun. Change lang natin ang baba natin. I lost track of time, guys. 2:15 na pala. So, kakain lang talaga tayo and a bit later, magsusundo na tayo. Ay, nako. I'll show you guys what we've got. For this trip. Hindi siya sa likod. Ay, pagod. Sobrang pagod ko. Tapos aalis pa tayo. So, I got this BB Box cup. 360 cup for Baba, for his water. Tsaka tong, ang tawag dito? Mga cleaning brush para sa bottles niya. I got sunscreen kasi sobrang init na. Wala tayong sunscreen for kids, so that's gonna be very helpful. Tapos itong pacifier clip. Kasi laging nawawala yung mga pacifier niya, so that's very helpful. We got Vaseline. So, ito yung sinuggest nung doctor na gawing barrier cream para sa drooling niya. Kasi dito na lang talaga yung ano niya, yung sobrang, yung mga eczema niya. So, this will help. Kasi ano din siya, moisturizing din daw siya, tas barrier cream siya. So, it's gonna be good. And we got another one of these. Bumili na tayo ng ganito, pero hindi ko alam. Hindi ginamit ni Ate Gab. And I got clothes for them. So, I got this, feeling ko, Ate Gab's gonna love this. This shirt for Ate Gab. Meron siyang terno na, walang size 6, so I got her size 7. Eh, gusto naman niya yung mga medyo maluluwang. Tapos, I got her shorts. So, yan. Feeling ko magtutuwa siya kasi she loves purple so much now. Tapos, ito, I really love this. I'm so fan of this print. Like, Jaguar print. Tapos, purple. So, she's gonna love this. I know she's gonna love it. I just know. And I got this. Ito, it's sale sa, $5 lang siya. So, I got 2. So, I got size 0 na. Kasi lumiliit na yung mga pangtulog ng baby natin. So, I got another one. So, same lang sila, just different color. And I got some summer clothes for Baba. So, look at that. How cute! And another one. And another one. So, kinuha ko na yung size 0 kasi at the moment, yung 00, ano yun, 3 to 6. 3 to 6, medyo sumisikip na sa kanya. So, 0 is 6 to 12. So, wala silang 6 to 9. 6 to 12 agad. So, yun yung kinuha natin. And the last one that we've got is Reese. Is for Mommy. To fuel up Mommy. Lagyan natin sa fridge. Ready na ang ating baked spaghetti. Sobrang pagod ko talaga, guys. As in, sobrang pagod ko. Kasi may stroller tayo. Pero, as you've seen kanina, ayaw niyang mahiga sa stroller. Ayaw niya umupo, mahiga, or whatever. So, dun siya. Dun siya sa... Bantayan niyo lang siya habang kain lang ako. God, 2:20. Init. Ooh. Uy, boy. Lupit ka dyan, boy. Gusto mo yan? Ha? Gusto mo yan? This one na. Ayun, ayun, ayun. Babawa yun. Ayun. Ay. Kaya na tayo. Mama? Kain mama, no? Feeling ko kasi yung petroleum jelly, kaya parang recommend nila is, parang oil siya. Eh, yung drool is water. Parang water. Water nga siya. So, So, hindi siya didikit. Hindi sila magsasama. I think so. Nga. Mama? Hey. No scratching. No scratching. Ayan na. Nag-bleed na, boy. No scratching eh. Ay, dumugo na siya, guys. Tingnan niyo naman ang batang ire. Look. Ayan na. Kakakamot niya, dumugo na. Baka na.